Oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your touch a long, lonely time. And time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. Are you still I need your love. I need your love. Godspeed your love to to the sea, to the open arms of the sea. Slowly with a sigh, wait for me, wait for me. I'll be coming home, oh, my love, my darling, I'm hungry for your touch a long, lonely time. And time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. Are you still mine? I need your love. I need your love. Godspeed your love to well, Adi, the Pluckers, I've Saw Fingers again with a real classic there, Unchained melody by the Righteous Brothers, of course. Okay, I'm in standard tuning and I'm doing it in the key of D, no capos. Okay, the original song is in the, I believe, in the key of C. Okay, but I've done it in D, suits my voice slightly better, and also has the added bonus of not having to play in the middle section of the song, the Lonely Rivers bit. If you play it in the key of C, you have to play an E flat, which is a bit messy, so it reduces that issue as well. Okay, so let's go. So also, I am not playing it arpeggiated. A lot of people play it as per the original, which is very sort of that sort of style. Okay, I decided to do a strumming version for parties and such like. Okay, get-togethers. Okay, so if you want to arpeggiate it, please do, but I'm doing a strumming version. Okay, so starts off on the D chord, my B minor, low, 2nd fret bar chord, minor shape, my G, darling, A, I've hungered for, D, your touch, B minor, long, lonely A time, Okay, got that? Fairly straightforward, yeah? Let's do it again for you. D, O, B minor, G, my darling, A, good for your D touch, B minor, alone, A, to D and time, B minor goes by, G so slowly, A and time can do D so much, B minor are you, A still mine, A7, I D need your love, A, B minor, need your love, F sharp minor, God, G, speed your love, A, to D, right, so, second verse, right, done the first verse, so the second verse is D, as time, B minor goes by, G, so slowly, A, and time can do D so much, B minor are you, still A minor, now A7th, I D need your love, A, B minor, need your love, F sharp minor, God, G, speed your love, A, to D, me. Right, so A7th is the A with the open third string. It's an A chord with an open third string, second on the fourth string and second on the second string. Okay, B minor we've already done, F sharp minor, keep the bar, from the B minor we go to the F sharp minor, keep the bar on the second fret and move your fingers to the fourth fret of the fifth string and the fourth string with third finger and pinky. Okay, so that's B minor, that's the bit that goes, where it goes, I need your love, A, I need your love, B minor, F sharp minor, G, I need, got to speed your love, sorry, A, loves me, okay. Then we go to, after you come out of that, God speed your love to me, so speed your love to D, me, we'll go to D7, D7, right, now the middle section, G, lonely rivers, A, flow, back to G, like the flea, to the F, C, okay, so that's A, sorry, G, lonely, back to A, to the G, C, to the F, C, back to G, to open the A, arms of the D, C, D7, yes, G, lonely, A, riverside, wait for G, me, wait for F, me, G, R, B, A, coming home, wait for D, me, and then it's another verse as per the first verse, okay. So let's just go for that middle section again. So coming out of that second bit where it goes, I need your love, I need your love, F sharp minor, G, Godspeed your love, A, to D, me, D7, G, A, back to G, F, G, A, D, D7, G, A, G, F, G, A, D. Last verse. Oh, my love, my darling, I'm hungered for your touch. Be mine alone, A, lonely time. Build up and D time. Be mine, G, A, and time can do D so much. B minor, you, A, still mine, A7, D, I need your love, A, B minor, need your love, F sharp minor, G, Godspeed, slow down, A, 2, D, me, B minor, G, G minor, D. Okay, and that G to G minor on the end, so the ending is D, B minor, a G chord. I'm playing this as a bar chord this time, a 3rd fret bar chord. Take off, and then G minor by taking off that 2nd finger, and then back to D. End of song. And there you have it. Okay, I say you can do it arpeggiated, you could do it strumming, whatever you fancy. Okay, so but those are the chords in the key of D. Thanks very much for watching and listening. Hopefully that will help you play that song, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.